guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dares to DIY, and I really want to thank y'all for tuning in today. I'm really excited about today's video because the weather has finally started to cool off here in Florida, and that means it's time for fire pits and hot cocoa. Y'all, I just got through assembling the fire pit that I got from Alphamarts, and I'm so excited to see what it looks like when the fire is lit. And I don't know if the camera fully picks it up, but it has these really cool like American flag cutouts. So when the fire is lit, the flags glow, and it just looks so cute in the pictures. And I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's finally lit. Now, Alphamarts does have a couple of different styles, and I'll be sure to put a link down below to those, to this fire pit, so you can check out the different styles for yourself. But we're also going to be making our coffee bar slash hot cocoa bar today. The coffee and hot cocoa bar that we're going to be doing today is actually going to be kid friendly as well as adult friendly, and I can't wait to show you all of the things that we're going to put on our bar, and you're going to want to be sure to stick around and check it out. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so you don't miss anything that we have planned for Christmas, because y'all, I've got some fun stuff planned. So be sure to stick around for everything. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's start putting our coffee bar together so we can get this party started. Okay, y'all, one of the first things that we want to do to get started is to make our spoons. I love the little spoons because they're not only functional, but they're also cute as well. So we're just going to start off with some spoons. These actually came from Walmart, and I had them left over for a family function that we did a while back. But Dollar Tree also has these spoons. We're also going to need our toppings. Now, I picked up these soft peppermint sticks from Dollar Tree, and all I did to crush them up like this was to take a Ziploc bag and put some of these in a Ziploc bag and use the back of a spoon to crush them. And because they're soft, they crush up really nice. Okay, so we're also going to use some marshmallows and also some chocolate chips, but you can use anything, you know, that you want to for your hot cocoa bar. You could use crushed up Red Hots. You could use pretty much anything that you can think of. Just let your imagination run wild with these. And this is just candy coating. Of course, there's my cat. It would not be a Mama Dares to DIY video without my cat making an appearance. Come on, no. Okay, so we've got our candy coating melted, and these are so easy that the kids can have fun and help you with these. It's just a fun little project. And all we're gonna do is just dip our spoon in our coating. And if you want to do a really thick layer of chocolate, you could let this one dry and actually put another layer of chocolate on there, and I will do that with some of these. And I kind of like the fact that I want them all different. So we'll just kind of dip some white and some dark. And these are kind of expensive if you go to buy them in the stores. I think we'll do some peppermint too. And you can use all the peppermint, like around the whole thing, or you can just do the edges. It's up to you. And that's it. This is really an easy project, and it's fun. And when they are sitting on our coffee bar, your guests are just gonna love that they can just pick up one of these spoons and stir up their hot cocoa or their coffee and also get a little flavor. So for the next little treat, we're gonna make these cute little s'mores marshmallow treats, and they're gonna be so cute sitting on our little hot cocoa bar. So we just wanna take one of our larger marshmallows, and you can use the big gigantic campfire marshmallows, but I'm just using the smaller ones. And I'm just going to dip that into my chocolate. And then I've gone ahead and crushed up my graham crackers just like I did my peppermints here in the Ziploc bag. And then we'll just roll that over in it. Now, I also did some peppermint on some, and then I did some white chocolate with some, what do you call these things? Chocolate chips. So yeah, so just kind of make a variety and make them all different. Okay, y'all, the first thing that we want to do is to decide what cups we wanted to use. So I picked up these cups from Dollar Tree, and they had a fall saying on them, and they didn't really go with my Christmas theme. So I decided to take some of my daughter's gel soak-off coating stuff that she uses for her fingernails, and I'm going to use that to take these words off of here. Whoops, be careful. Don't get it on your table because it will also take off the color from your table. So just be very, very careful. Let's put a plate under here. Okay, so we just want to take our cotton ball saturated with our remover solution, and we're just going to rub it. And it actually comes off pretty easily. I was really shocked at how easy this was to come off. Now, you can go back in with your Cricut or your Silhouette and put a cute little saying on here, or you could even personalize these with your guest names on them. I think that would be super fun too. I did not have time to do that before I did my video, but I am going to go back in and do that. And just repeat this process for the other side. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit nicer than just little plastic cups, I did find these cute little guys on Amazon, and they are $29.99 for a set of 4. Or I also found these adorable buffalo plaid disposable cups, and those are $25.99 for a 50 count, which is a great deal. Y'all knew I could not let this video go by without adding in some crafty elements. So here I'm just taking some gift tags that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I thought these were super duper cute, and they had cute little bells on them, so you know, of course I had to get them. So I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut around each one of these, and I'm just going to place them on some of my elements that are on my coffee bar. My coffee bar is pretty full, so I don't really have a lot of room that I can, you know, put decorations on. But I do want to add in some elements. So I thought this would be a great idea to add in those Christmas, you know, items in. So we're just going to cut around several more of these, and then I'll show you exactly how we place them on. It's super duper easy. So the next project that we're going to be doing, we're going to be needing a potted lavender plant that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and also one of the holly bushes. And this is actually a Pottery Barn dupe that I saw a couple of months back, and it's so easy. We're just going to pop out the lavender that's in the pot, and we're going to pop in the holly bush. So just remove the bottom and take off the tag, and literally all we're going to do is stick this down inside our little mini pot. I mean, could this get any simpler? It is so easy. And it's honestly, it's almost the same size as the one from Pottery Barn, and it's a fraction of the cost. So the one from Pottery Barn is $29.50, and ours is roughly $2. It's super cute. And when Christmas is over, we can always pop out the holly bush and pop the lavender bush back in. I'm not even kidding. This is one of the easiest DIYs that I've ever done, but I love it because it's so cute. And ours is cuter because the one from Pottery Barn doesn't have glitter. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to set up our hot cocoa bar. So I picked up a couple of containers from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted all shapes and sizes, but I wanted some of the mini ones too. And so I picked up these from Amazon because they were a better deal than the ones from Dollar Tree. So now I'm just going to pour the sprinkles that I picked up from Dollar Tree into my little mini containers. And I don't know why it's so satisfying to watch sprinkles pour into this container, but I absolutely love it. So cute. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with my cinnamon sugar, but this time I'm going to pour it into one of the Parmesan shakers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. This will also be good for making your cinnamon toast too. An easy way, and it's also pretty. So I decided to use my deviled egg tray to display my spoons and also put a cup in the middle of it, but my cup was a little bit loose, so I've got some Super Magic nano tape that I'm going to use, and hopefully that's going to secure this down. So we'll just take off a little piece here, and y'all, I'm not even going to lie, if you've got acrylic nails or fake nails on, it is a little bit tricky to try to get that backing off.
but it's not impossible. You just have to kind of get your nail under there. There we go. Okay, almost. Just kidding. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so you can tell how thick this stuff is, and my cup that I'm using for the center of my tray didn't sit perfectly, flat on the bottom, so this is going to help secure that down. And all I did was take some chocolate chips and put in the bottom of my cup, and then put my cinnamon sticks on, or candy canes on top. Okay, so I told y'all before that this is going to be an adult-friendly hot cocoa bar, and I wanted to still kind of disguise my booze a little bit, so that's where these cute little baskets came in handy. Now, I have these baskets hanging up in my laundry room, but they worked great for hiding my booze and still looking cute on my bar. So now to decorate those baskets just a little bit, but I didn't want to wreck those, so I'm going to use my super nano tape again, because y'all, this stuff really doesn't leave any residue at all. Like, I'm kind of impressed with this stuff. And I only need a tiny little piece, so I'm going to cut that little piece in half too. And again, it's a little bit tricky to get off with your nails on, but it's not impossible. So I'm just going to put this onto the back of our little cutout that we did earlier. And I'm just going to pop this onto our little basket just to give it a little bit of decoration. And I think that is just the perfect touch, don't you? Okay, so now I've got a cute little bow that I made out of some ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use my nano tape, and I'm going to attach this to my tiered tray using the nano tape. Now, I've talked about this nano tape a couple of times in this video already, and I've got a couple of rolls that I can give away to somebody. So if you want to be entered into a giveaway to win a roll of this nano tape, drop me a comment down below and let me know that you want to be entered into this giveaway. And we're just going to simply attach this to the top using this tape. This tape is so sticky and so cool, but no residue is left behind. Okay, and so the finishing touch is just to take our same candy cane ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to tie just a simple little knot here around our little marshmallows. And y'all, this project is done. This hot cocoa bar was so easy to set up, and we did do a few crafty things and a few little food items, but pretty much it was not hard at all to do. Okay, y'all, here is the big reveal. You can see our glass containers from the Dollar Tree that we used, and I've got marshmallows in there and also a homemade hot cocoa mix, and I'll be sure to put the recipe in the description box below so you can check that out. I really do love this recipe. And here we've got our tiered tray and all of our Dollar Tree cups. I can't wait to fill those up with all of these yummy, yummy recipes. Now, I did pick up a few little mini bottles of the flavorings from Tuesday morning, but pretty much you can pick those up anywhere. Now, in our toppings, I've got some shredded coconut, I've got sprinkles, I've got crushed up graham crackers. You can see our cinnamon and sugar that we put in our Parmesan tray. And y'all, there are our yummy dipped marshmallows. Isn't it all adorable? Now, I did also include some pods for my Keurig that were hot cocoa related, and I've also got some instant hot cocoa powder as well as some tea in there for those tea drinkers. We've got our Purelines also in there too, and y'all look at how cute these spoons are displayed in our egg tray. Absolutely love it. And here we've got our booze. I've got peppermint schnapps. I've got some Irish cream liqueur, some white Russian, and also some red velvet. Yum, yum, yum. So y'all, I'm fixing to make me a cocktail, and I'm going to head outside and sit by this warm fire. I've got some Bailey's red velvet in my cup here, and I'm sitting by my warm fire, and it just feels absolutely amazing. I'm going to turn the flash off so y'all can see how beautiful that flag is when it's lit up. Y'all, isn't that beautiful? If y'all want to check out Alphamart's website, I do have a 15% off discount code I'll put down in the description box. Okay, y'all, my cup is empty, and I think it's time to put another log on this fire. But I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.